tornado warning for Central Will County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Manhattan, or 8 miles west of Utah, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mokina around 7:10 p.m. Money around 7:20 p.m. Frankfurt around 7:25 p.m. Including the following interstate: Interstate 57 between mile markers 329 and 334. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is
WLN Weather Alert. Skywarn net is activating.
This is W9S Survey taking over net control for the South Suburban Skywarn net. I don't have the product in front of me. We do have a tornado warning in the area. Looks like it's coming out of the Manhattan area, heading towards the Manhattan area. I got the storm down here down south. It's got some pretty impressive structure. We'll take check-ins, but we're looking for priority reports only, please. Priority reports only. W9S SRV.
N9WDG checking in from Homewood.
Tom K9GQ, if you can hear me. I'm on the back side of this in Manhattan. I'm trying to see if I can get a visual.
Okay, WDG, we got you. Your battery's about to die. Justin, we got you. We've heard some unconfirmed reports through other means that there's one on the ground near Manhattan, so if you can try and get a visual, that'd be great.
We got a visual. We got a small line. Looks like we got a little tail coming down, but nothing crazy yet. Gonna be southeast